In this video, I will show you how to add testimonials in WordPress. Let's get started. In order to do that, we can head over and scroll down until you can see in here the option for plugins. Click on this Add New right here. And then once you have done that, it will direct you to the plugin store of WordPress itself. So click on the search icon right here or search bar and search in here for Strong Testimonials. So let me just search in here. Then once you have searched for that, you should be able to see in here some search results. So we need to choose the Strong Testimonials right here. Click on this one. And then once you have done that, you can see this. Click on this Install and Activate. And then as you can see right here, it will install the plugin. So you can just wait for that to finish the loading process. So as you can see right here, Strong Testimonials has been activated. So in here, you can see this testimonials option, and you can see all of the testimonials that you have yet. Since we have just installed it, there will be no more testimonials only. So what you can do is you can head over and then add new. Click on this add new right here. And then once you have done that, it will actually lead you to this page wherein you add in here this testimonial. So you can add in your title. So for example, let's add in here title of superb service. And then you can add in here some paragraphs, media, forms, or anything. And you can add in here the client details that will actually say this. So for example, let's add in here John Doe. And you can also add their email right here as well as a company name. So for example, let's add in here Google. And then you can add in here the company website. And you can also add in here the no follow or no opener or no referrer as well as the excerpt, custom fields, discussion, and all of these ones. Once you have done that, head over and then click on this publish right here. Make sure that the visibility is public. Click on publish. And then after that, this testimonial will be added. So you can just wait for this. And as you can see, it's been added right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so please leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.